Cough. A cough is an upper respiratory tract infection, a common viral infection that affects the throat, nose, and the airways. A cough is your body's way of responding when something irritates the throat or the airways. Cough is not contagious, but it can be a sign of another condition. However, some causes of cough can be contagious. That is why mouth should be covered while coughing in the midst of people or in a population. While an occasional cough is normal, a cough that persists may be a sign of a medical problem. A cough is considered acute when it lasts less than 3 weeks and is considered chronic when it lasts longer than 8 weeks or 4 weeks in children.